my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. If you have yet not subscribed, please click the bell button down below and subscribe my channel to get the updates. This channel is all about the occult sciences, the monthly predictions, the weeklies, your relationships and your careers. You will come across with everything with my channel. Alright, so stay tuned with me. Please post your suggestions into the comment box. I'm really sorry. The comment box down below and let me know. Alright, and rest of the description is given below into description box. Kindly open the description box down below and see to it. Alright, so let's begin and let's see what is this week holding for my beautiful Leos. Alright, what this week is holding for my beautiful Leos. Alright, I hope Leos, my beautiful Leos, you're keeping safe as the Leo month is going on. First of all, happy birthday to all my Leos. Alright, stay safe, stay healthy, eat healthy, and let's see what do we have for you in this coming week. Okay. Oh my god. Let me see what do we have. Okay. Lots of swords, Leos. What's happening? What is the challenge for my Leos? What is the challenge for my Leos? Okay. Okay. All right, Leos. So at the bottom of the deck, I have Queen of Pentacles, a grounded energy. So my Leos are trying to be grounded, to be, to think upon that despite of whatever happening for my Leos this week, they're trying to be grounded. They're trying to still think from the grounds and think that okay, what is right and what is wrong. All right, so if I really begin with the health of my Leos this week, health is beautiful. Nothing to worry about the health. Health is very much beautiful. The Page of Pentacles is the card I have got. Right, rather you will get a good news also. Some good news maybe. It could be anything. All right, but a good news is coming across to you. Right. If I talk about your finances, you're a bit worried about your finances this week. You're looking back you're looking back at your expenditures, but you have already done. Though you are trying to manage your finances, but then because the last expenditures were little high for you, so you're moving little cautiously with this Page of Swords. You're moving little cautiously with this Page of Swords. All right, looking at back, but still moving ahead. All right. At your workplace, 10 of Swords, my dear Leos. A new beginning, what I see. A new beginning for some of the people, some of my Leos, a new beginning at the workplace, and might be some of my Leos will lose their job. It might be a possibility that companies will fire you, or will give you a notice that you may leave this company up to that time. Some kind of a negative news is expected for my Leos this coming week. All right, so just watch it, Leos. All right, in the relationship, I'm seeing you moving forward. All right, but then something has happened in the past. All right, and from which you're trying to move on, and you have move on though, but then still there's something which is holding you back. There's something which is holding you back with this Six of Swords. With this Six of Swords, the challenge for you for this week is the Hermit. Alright, completely withdrawn situation from, and what's crossing the situation is the Knight of Wands. Alright, you're feeling withdrawn at this moment, what I'm feeling, because only keeping your health aside, your relationships, your finances, and your workplace is bothering you. Alright, and you have withdrawn yourself from that key. I don't want to think about it, or let it be like that, whatever the situation. Maybe you're not ready to listen to anybody. Alright, and this energy around you, that is the Knight of Wands. People are trying to tell you something. There's energy around you, alright, which is actually trying to tell you that please listen, alright, and face the situation and work out into it, but then you are not ready to listen. Why? Because you have withdrawn from the situation. Alright, Leos, withdrawing from the situation is never the solution. Always remember, withdrawing from the situation is never the solution. So, just listen to the people. Just listen to the people around you. Alright, and you might find the solution. Alright. And the final outcome, I have the Seven of Swords and the Six of Wands. Alright, you're trying to run away from the situation, Leo. You're trying to run away from the situation, alright, where people are talking about you. Alright, you're trying to run away from the situation that, oh my god, he has done this, oh my god, he has done that. Alright, from that, because of that, you have withdrawn from the situation as well, and you're trying to run away from the situation as well. Alright, but then, if you're going to listen to the people, if somebody is trying to advise you, if somebody is trying to tell you something, alright, you might turn the entire situation into the Six of Wands. You might turn the entire situation into the Six of Wands. That is a celebration. That is a success. Alright, but for that, you need to actually hold on and need to listen to the people who are trying to advise you. Alright. Alright, see, at the bottom of the deck, what I have is the Strength under the Queen of Pentacles. Alright, the Strength under the Queen of Pentacles. You need to work, you need to tame your fears, you need to tame from this hard situation. Alright, and then you need to see that how strengthful you are, and you need to put your strength into the entire situation and think practically about the situation with the Queen of Pentacles. Alright, think groundedly, alright, without losing hope, that without losing your willpower, alright, to make the situation victorious. Alright, I hope you understood what I am trying to tell you, my beautiful Leos. Alright, let me see what my oracles carry for you for this week. Alright, what messages for my Leos this week? What messages for my Leos? What messages for my Leo this week? A fiery climax approaches. Alright, a fury climax approaches. Alright, so this is interesting, Leo. What do you need to release at the bottom of the deck? See, what you need to release is that you need to release the negative energies around you. Alright, you need to release the thoughts of the people, that why people are talking about you, why they're saying this about you. Alright, you need to just let it go, everything. Alright, you just need to go, because because a new beginning is awaiting to you. Alright, a fury climax approaches is basically when you just leave that all that negativity, and when you start thinking groundedly, and when you start thinking that okay, I can work out through this situation like this, that would be the climax for you, that oh my god, even I can do this, where you actually have lost the trust in yourself, that okay, whether I'll be able to do this or not. So this week, you need to take care of yourself, what I feel, all right, because something is really tough coming across to you, but that's okay, that's life, that's how life goes, all right. So let me see what is the final message for you, for my Leos. What is the final message for my Leos? Alright, the final message for my Leo is the Chandra, the moon god. See, at the day of the full moon, and this beautiful card has come. Purification of the blood, nourishment of the crops, subduing mental ills and anxieties, overcoming pessimism and madness. See how much this is resonating. You need to overcome the pessimism, that negative thoughts, and that anxiety you're carrying along with you. And then, that withdrawal situation you have put yourself into, and then things would be very much fine. Alright. I hope I have shown you the card. This is the Chandra. Okay. The final prayer for the week is salutations to the moon god who adorns Lord Shiva's crown. His complexion is the color of curd, couch shells and snow. Born on the ocean of milk, he is the bestower of the nectar of immortality. Alright, beautiful message for you, my lovely Leos. So coming week is little tough, it's okay, don't get into the withdrawal situation, just release your negative energies, alright, and you will be able to face the situation with the courage and with all the strength you have, alright. I hope this helps. Please leave in the comment box whether it's resonated with you or not. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye.